guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm be doing Subway Surfer Christmas update. First of all, it's New Year's, yeah, January the 1st. It's a brand new New Year's. Last year, we have quickie stuff on it. Go check out Bernard vlog to see what I mean, and yeah. Guys, I'm not gonna be posting a lot on this channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot on my vlog channel, aka my main channel, but yeah. But sometimes I post like I post Monday to Wednesday to the weekends. Monday to Wednesday to the weekends. So yeah. I got to make my banner, everything, my profile picture. Comment down below what my profile picture gonna be, because I'm running out ideas. My last two channel on my game channel got hacked. That's one of the reasons. And if you guys are true friends, then you know what happened. So yeah, I wonder who subscribed to my vlog channel. If it's someone I don't know, that'd be great news. Because like yesterday I checked, I have 17 subscribers. Then I checked again, I have 18 subscribers. So my channel is starting to grow slowly. That's good news. Because yeah. Anyways, comment down below what games to do. I'm gonna do more Minecraft because this is about Minecraft, but I don't have Minecraft yet. So yeah, I'm gonna do some scary maps. Yeah, and some roleplays if you guys want roleplays. Because come on, man, people like roleplays. And at least like end of this year, I want to get like 20 or 30 subscribers. That'd be good. 20 and 30 subscribers, that would be good. And like at least be my last subscriber account. My last one, I hit 50, but I'm unsubscribed everyone from my friends, so I have 30 now. So yeah. And yeah. And let's say I have soccer or something, I'm gonna like post that video too. Me opinion, because who don't want to see some soccer plays? Come on, man. Yeah. And by the way, YouTube, I'm gonna call you guys not like nothing. I'm gonna call you guys like YouTube, because I don't want to make a lot of time for you guys to call you a nickname. Sometimes I call you viewers, sometimes I call you YouTube. It doesn't really matter to me. So yeah. But do you know how I made this channel like last year? How can I make it? But I made this channel last year. And other people made this channel 5 years ago. They have like pretty good amount of subscribers they have. Like, so yeah, I want to try like post more often. So I want people to see me the recommend list. If I hit that, that will be a big comfort of my dream. I get a lot of money. Not saying that, because I can do more challenge videos, do everything. Yeah. And guys, I give you next video on my vlog channel. I'm doing some Pokemon cards, and I don't know what day I'm gonna do it. But I might do it today. It is New Year's. I'm gonna do it today to go to the store, buy myself a Pokemon card, and I'll record a video about it. And if one of the Pokemon costs money, I'll keep going until I have a lot of Pokemon cards, because I know people is a fan of Pokemon these days. I watch a lot of YouTubers that do Pokemon unboxing. Not a lot. It used to be trending on YouTube, but not anymore. Yeah. I don't know why, but I started to like Pokemon. The reason I stopped, because Pokemon for math, and I'm not good at math. I am, but not really that good. Like, I'm scared of math. But I don't do math all the time. Come on, man. I want to have fun. And school started in January. My breaks start at the 3rd, and we're going back to school January the 4th. I'm not looking forward to it, but yeah. I don't have to have to post on the weekend because I need to get focused in school. I'll play games, but I'm not gonna record or edit my videos. That's you're gonna be like, why you post on the weekend? And yeah. The Christmas update of Subway Surfer is different. I never played Christmas update 2 years ago, so I don't. Yeah, but let's say I'm not the best at this game. I want to be the best in Minecraft. Like, I want to dream place. If you guys know Minecraft, I don't know why I keep starting, but yeah. If I dream and beat him all the time, he have 15 subscribers on YouTube right now. If I beat him, bro, a lot of people would do collab, like want to collab with me. And yeah, tell me about more of your life. I want to know, like, honestly. You guys don't want to hear about my life, because if you all see, I haven't posted nothing a week ago. Yeah, like how Arsenal is Arsenal, but it's so unfair. You saw them. Thank you guys for watching my video. I want to at least be my sister, because my sister getting money. I don't know, they have a lot of subscribers than my older brother, and they get a lot of money. Like, geez, they get like $7 if they hit 100 views. Imagine like hitting 7 views, how much money they're gonna get. That'd be crazy though. Imagine. That's how I wanna make my video entertain people to watch it. Because if I make it not entertain, no one's gonna watch my video. Let's say you call, right, and send on YouTube. You're not gonna be that entertained. You just send on YouTube. So you gotta work hard on your videos. Yeah, something like that. And do challenge someone entertain. And give you tips, but you gonna be wondering, why I need tip for you? Okay, first, you need to make a thumbnail that tracks your views. Then, always copy your title. I don't know why, but YouTube always say this, because make the people want to watch your videos. Something like that. And, okay, I forgot one thing. Okay, let's say, make a video longer than 10 minutes. Yeah. You make it longer than 10 minutes. 5 days until the season ends. I want to at least get this to Petty fish. Alright, have a go. And guys, I will wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your day. And I'm out.